Hey, so about a few guys asked me about the NC rotor kit and how they perform and whatnot. So I'm just take a quick little video so you guys can kind of see for yourselves. This is a stage 6 liquid cooled bore, custom crank, same essentially motor as a Dio or Honda Elite. So check it out. Got a sticker on it, that's why it looks like that, but as you can see, the throttle response is really good. It wraps out really fast. These work on AF16, AF18, DD50, and then this spike, Kimpro's ZX50. So super easy to install, plug and play. You got 2 different timing settings for AF18 or AF16. You got lights and everything too. So again, this will bolt up just like an AF16 or AF18. So there you have it.